Hey y'all, today's video is all about Olaplex's number 0 and number 3. If you're new here, I'm Faren. I do all types of natural hair videos with some skincare and lifestyle, so please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell before you leave. If this is your first time here, then you are probably unaware that my hair has been heat damaged. I spent all of January really trying to find a balance between protein and moisture and just generally taking care of the hair that I have on my head so it doesn't go anywhere. A few of my subscribers suggested that I try Olaplex out, and I hopped online, went to Sephora's website and ordered the number 0, which actually came with a trial size of the number 3. If you're interested to see how it works on my hair and how I feel about it, then sit tight. Okay, so we are starting with the number 0, and y'all look at my hair. My hair looks so dry and crusty. Don't judge me. Thank you. This is supposed to be a safe place, but so what you're gonna see me do is try and part my hair into 4 somewhat even sections. It's just really easier for me to work with my hair when I have it in sections. Okay, so the number 0 is a professional inspired intensive treatment that primes hair for deeper repair, strengthens and protects hair integrity, leveraging the OLAPLEX patented bond building technology. It is said to be for all hair types, straight, wavy, curly, and coily, textures, fine, medium, and thick. This is going to help repair damage, split ends, breakage, add shine, and is also color safe. A few of the key benefits for the number 0 particularly is that it primes hair to intensify the benefits for the number 3 hair perfector. It is said to strengthen weakened bonds deep within the hair strand, and also it repairs hair from chemical, thermal, mechanical, and environmental damage. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free for those who are wondering. So, as you can see, I am applying this to a dry hair, and it says to apply slowly because, I mean, you really have no choice with as small as this nozzle is. The directions say to work the number 0 into small sections by squeezing the liquid into the hair to be fully absorbed as you go. Lightly saturate from root to tip. Your hair should be damp and not drenched. So that's exactly what I did. I took my time. I have a tendency to be kind of product heavy, but when it comes to like chemicals and products like this, I really try to follow the directions. So I am applying it root to tip. I am especially paying attention to those parts of my hair that I feel are extremely damaged, which is why I started in the front and I'm working my way around. You will see me applying it more so to the ends of my hair as well, because I'm hoping that it will stop, well, not stop my hair from splitting, but prevent it from splitting as much. And then I'm also going to try and squeeze it into my strands as the instructions say, just like I do with my wash and goes. I want to make sure that this is actually penetrating into my strands because y'all, Fred needs it. The instructions say to let this process for 10 minutes and do not rinse out. For the complete treatment, apply the number 3 hair perfector over hair with the number 0 already applied. In total, it took me about 20 minutes to apply this to each section, making sure that each and every strand of my hair was covered but not drenched. Hey Google, set a timer for 10 minutes. Okay, moving right along to the Olaplex number 3. I don't think I mentioned it, but I don't think I mentioned it, but the size of the Olaplex number 0 is 5.2 fluid ounces, and the size that I have for the number 3 is 3.3 ounces. Okay, so the number 3 can be applied to straight, wavy, curly, coiled, and tightly coiled hair. It is a concentrated treatment that strengthens the hair from within, reducing breakage and improving its look and feel. A few key benefits is that it addresses damaged and compromised hair, strengthens and protects hair structure, and restores healthy appearance and texture. Keep in mind, the number 3 hair perfector is not a conditioner. It is an at-home treatment that contains active ingredients found in all professional Olaplex products. Olaplex products feature first of their kind patented bond building technology, which relinks the broken disulfide bonds caused by chemical, thermal, and mechanical hair damage to the hair. This formula is made to work with every hair type, providing real structural repair that works from within. Instructions say to use this once a week or 2 to 3 times a week for extremely damaged hair. Apply on damp, towel dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated, and leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes. So for the most part, I follow those directions, except I apply it from ends to roots. That's just kind of how I do my natural hair. So I applied this generously to those same 4 sections, way quicker than I applied the priming product number 0. It took me like half the time. It took me like 9.5 minutes. And now, hey Google, set a timer for 10 minutes. Before I get into this final look, a few things about these products. I really appreciate like how I could almost finger detangle my hair with the number 0 initially. It gave me a chance to go through and just like detangle and get rid of some of the shed hair. And I appreciate that as someone who likes to pre-poo my hair, because I can't pre-poo whenever I'm using these Olaplex products. So I can appreciate that much. Didn't feel like it was gonna dry my hair out, which I don't know. I was just kind of afraid about that when it comes to using chemicals. I don't know. It's just something about it being chemicals and a bonding treatment that made me think my hair was going to be extremely dry, and it wasn't. And then applying the number 3 on top, same deal. It's not moisturizing, but it's thick and creamy enough that I feel like I can finger detangle my hair, and it's easy to saturate my strands with. So I do appreciate that about these products. Now, this wasn't a first impressions video. I have used these products about 3 times. So I'll show you how much I have left. Can y'all see that? So I have about this much left of the 0. So I could get another use. I'll probably buy another bottle just to have it on standby. And then 2 uses out of this so far. And yeah, I still have more than half the bottle left. I will have these products linked below. I believe both of them were $28 each. So if I can use them 4 times, that's $7 a treatment for my hair, which isn't extremely long, but I feel like my hair is kind of dense. So I feel like that's cool. So what have I noticed within these 3 uses? I have noticed that I have less shedding, because when I'm doing wash and goes, I tend to lose a lot of hair. I style my hair once a week, so of course I expect to see some shedding in the shower, but I feel like this has kind of like, it's not as much, especially with my hair being almost 2 different textures around my hair. My hair actually seems to stay moisturized longer. Like typically I could go like 2 days without refreshing my hair, like adding anything to it. But y'all, like last week was a really rough week for your girl, and I don't think I re-moisturized it at all, and it was like 5 days in between the wash day. So I do feel like my hair is maintaining moisture longer. I'll have a link in the description box what I used for this wash day. I actually have the video coming up very soon, so stay tuned for that. But I did go in and shampoo and condition my hair with moisturizing products, which I think like my hair looks good. This is my wash and go, not stretched at all, because I wanted to show y'all like my curl pattern, so, or lack thereof. I think this would be the best. Can y'all see that? So no, you can see how at the root my curls are definitely growing in, but that's where the heat damage is throughout the shaft. So obviously it hasn't brought my curls back. That's not exactly what I was looking for. I'm just looking for my hair to be healthy, and since I know it's working from the inside out, just the fact that I still have this hanging on and my hair feels strong and strengthened. Like I can actually feel the difference. Like my hair felt so good when I washed this treatment out. Like after I shampooed it, it felt good and healthy and strong, and really that is all that I'm asking for out of my hair right now. I feel like it has even made my wash and goes look better. My hair is shrinking because this, I guess I can show you, like, and it didn't feel like my hair was about to snap off when I did that. So will I continue to use these Olaplex products? Absolutely. I'm not going to use it once a week just because I'm a person that I love pre-pooing my hair. I like what it has done for my hair, but there will be occasions 1 to 2 times a month where I am going to go in with this bonding treatment. It's not a protein treatment, so I can use it the same day that I'm planning to do protein treatments, because I have gotten a lot better with that. So it's not necessarily an extra step, it's just different from my pre-pooing, and if it's going to keep my hair healthy, which it has done so far, I'm gonna keep doing it. So yeah, that's really all that I have for you guys. Please comment down below and let me know what your experience has been with Olaplex. Also, if you enjoyed this video or if you got something from it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys so very much, and as always, I will see you in the next one.